The hood star is finally back. Before putting it on, I put a lot of ATF in there, just so it doesn't rust or doesn't seize up. But yeah, she's back. That is a lot better, guys. Woohoo, she's back. Also, just so you know, this is for sale for 20 bucks. If you want it, let me know. And I know what I have, so don't lowball me. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but this is this what used to be on this car, the hood star delete. But oh man, the hood star is actually needed for this car. It's like needed. Hey guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Today we're going to be going to work on a Mercedes W124. I'll be driving it's probably like 100 miles from here, so I'm going to be working on that car. Hopefully you guys enjoy. See you. What a beautiful car. US spec headlights and all that. It's a beauty. So how long have you had this car for?
Since 1984.
1984. Oh yeah, you told me it's from your
My
family.
grandpa bought this in 1984 and it's been in the family since.
That is amazing.
Title me like
Uh-huh.
4 years ago
Yeah.
when I got out.
Uh-huh. Oh, that is sweet.
It's in the family.
And yes, I switched to these American lights. So as you can see, the fog lamps, they actually look really nice right now after I painted them. And the reason why I switched to these is because a buddy of mine will be driving this car and he just wanted to put these on, you know, because I guess maybe he likes these more. I don't know, but he's gonna be kind of driving this car and taking care of it at the same time, just so this baby is not really sitting here all this time. And yeah, I'll have some extra Euro headlights for, I guess, maybe one of my other W123s that I will own. But as you can see, these headlights, I mean, they're pretty nice. I just think that the turn signals need to be orange. Other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks great. Alright guys, so today we're doing some work on a 240D. What I need to do is I need to finish 2 more door panels. So as you can see, I have this door panel removed already, and I'm gonna be lubricating everything here, cleaning, and yeah, it's gonna be nice at the end. As you know, I already did this side. Alright, so this side, I mean, it's looks really beautiful and nice, all cleaned up. And show you some door panels. So this is the door panel that was on this car. All right, so as you can see, it's all torn. It's not good. I can save the fabric of it, but I got this panel right here that I'm gonna be putting on. All right, so this is, I still have to clean this. Yeah, she's gonna be beautiful. Also, when I removed the door panel, was missing the plastic weather strips, so I'll have to add that. Alright guys, so I'm working on this left rear door, and anytime you have this off, you want to make sure that you check those rubber hoses that go to this door lock actuator. So in this case, those are in pretty bad condition, so I'm going to replace those. And you want to make sure you spray some rust penetrant in there and let it sit. And you got to be really careful. Don't pull on these hoses from the actuator. Just be like really careful. Try to use a pick and get in there. Otherwise, you're gonna break the connection off, and it's gonna be a bad day. Alright, so everything is ready to go on this side, guys. Everything lubricated, the vacuum hoses replaced, everything else is good to go. Also removed all these rods and put grease in there, just so everything moves nicely. Alright, so we're good on this side. And yeah, I'll also lubricate the window regulator so it moves really nice, guys. Alright, that's it. So I'm ready to put this panel back on together, and like I was showing you in other videos, I'm gonna put this I'm gonna use the silicone sealant right here just a little bit around, so I can reattach this weather strip right here. Not weather strip, but just a protective plastic cover, because it was missing actually on this side. So I will do that, and then final thing is gonna be putting the panel back on. Alright guys, some progress. Okay, so I used silicone sealant, and I added this you know, this film right here because it's really important actually to have it on. So it's all pretty much dry, all ready to go, and I double checked everything. I'm ready to put the panel back on.